welcome back to my channel Cozy Look Crochet. Today I would like to show you how to make this beautiful pouch, which is very useful and relatively easy to make. I think beginners can make it also. This is my finished product in here, and the material that we need for this project is this zipper right here, which already has holes in it. This is 7 inches. I ordered this from Amazon, that I can put the link on the description below. Also, for the yarn material, I have used Peaches and Cream. This is 100% cotton, and the color is energetic pink. Hook size in here says 5 millimeter, but I have used the 4.5 millimeter hook size for this. We also need the smaller size hook size, which is 1.65 millimeter. This is for the first row when we start and the holes are very small. We're gonna use this hook size in here. You need only 1 yarn of this, and we need scissors for cutting the yarn at the end. And let's get started here. For the start, we're gonna make a slip knot here. And this is like doing your first chains. This is how we're gonna do it. Let's start from here. Pull this yarn over and make it tight from the other side. And make a chain. This is the first one. Second hole, pull the yarn and make a chain. We're going to do this all around these holes. Okay, so because I don't want to waste so much time, I'm going to continue. I do one more and then I'm going to continue doing all these holes all around. And then we're going to start the second row. This is the last hole. I'm pulling string here from zipper. I'm gonna hide it. Okay, and starting in here, I'm gonna do 2 rows of single crochet all around. So this is the first one, single crochet. And right here, I'm gonna change my hook to the bigger hook. This second row might be a little tight. If you couldn't pull it through this chain in here, you can still use the smaller size to pull the yarn over. But I think you should be okay right here. Okay, again, This is just single crochet all around for 2 rows. We're gonna do this, and I'm gonna get back here for the rest of the bag. I'm almost done here. I have 3 more until the next row. As I mentioned, next row is also single crochet. Okay, last one. And this whole row is gonna be the 4th row. Although we're not gonna count the rows on this project because I'm gonna use only 1 skein of yarn, and this is 56.7 grams or 2 ounces. And if you want to make, it's going to be this size. If you want to make it bigger, you can continue doing this and get another yarn, but I like the size, and I'm gonna keep doing that. Let's do another single crochet row, and then we're gonna come back and do the main pattern. This pattern is called alternate. So first let's do the single crochet. We are getting to the end of the single crochet row. I have 1 and 2. Okay, starting this pattern, we're gonna do 2 single crochet on 1 chain and skip the next chain. 2 single crochet on 1, skip the next. Same pattern repeated all around. So let's do this. I'm gonna do 2 single crochet, 1, 2, that was in the same chain, and skip this one. Again, 1 and 2, skip the next one, 1 and 2, skip next, and we're gonna do the whole row same way. And let's do it and get back here. So in here I'm at the end of the row. I have 2 single crochets here. I'll skip this one, and here 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, and we're going to skip this and single crochet. As you can see, this is going to be kind of alternate to the previous row where we have the 2 single crochets. So when I'm skipping this, in here 2 single crochet, skipping this, and 2 single crochets here. 1 and 2, skip this, 1 and 2. And this is, as you can see, beautiful pattern, very simple. And we're going to continue doing the same thing until the whole yarn is finished. We just keep a little strand for closing up at the bottom, like here. So I'll get back to you almost to the end. Okay, I'm back here. I'm showing you this is, I would say, 2/3 done, and this much of the yarn left. And if I compare to the one that I already did, yeah, this is 1/3 left. So I'll be back when I'm getting close to the end. Okay, this is getting to the last row in here. I have a little bit of the yarn left over, and the size is the same size as the other one. And for the last row, I'm gonna just turn this around and do slip a stitch for the end of it. Okay. All right, I'm done with the slip a stitch at the end, and I'm gonna cut the yarn here. And pull the yarn from the last chain, and I'm gonna hide it. Cut the extra, and just turn this around. This is the bottom, looks good. And this is the top. And here it is. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave your comments for me, and click like and subscribe. And I will try to come up with another project later. Thank you.